Hey guys, this is Nika. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Today is a very exciting day. I had made my first time purchase from Go Naked Hair from Portia. A lot of you guys may know her from the Real Housewives of Atlanta. And she has another show, and you know she recently got married. Congratulations to you, Portia. But yeah, I wanted to get into this video really quick. I ordered me some hair from her, and it came in a bag. And I opened the bag, and it's in this beautiful bag, and it says Go Naked Hair. Has little tassels on it. I think this is so cute. And guys, this bag, you also can keep this bag, and you can use this bag for something else, you know, your makeup, personal items. Hey, you can even store your hair back inside the bag if you like. So let's take a look and see what we have. All right, so inside the bag, we have, okay. So I did order 3 bundles of hair. So here are the 3 bundles right here. What inches did I order? I can't remember. I ordered 22, 22, and a 20. Yeah. So I ordered 2 22s, and these are the 22s. They're gonna go in the back of my hair. And then I ordered a 20, and of course this goes to the top of the hair. And you guys, it's beautiful hair. Let me talk about my closure really quick. My closure, here's the closure. My closure is a 20 as well. And the hair that I bought is the Brazilian. So it's the Brazilian body wave. See that? Brazilian body wave, yep. So normally I wear my hair pieces, aka wigs. And you know, I love the versatile of the wigs. You know, I can wear this wig this week, next week I can wear that wig. I do not glue my wigs down. I just put a cap on, you know, braid my hair, put a cap on, and then I put the wig on. And I normally wear my wigs for about 2 or 3 weeks, just kind of like depending. Sometimes I'll go 4 weeks. But yeah, I normally try to switch them up. But this time I decided, you know what? It's been a while since I've had a sew-in, and I wanted to get a sew-in in my the previous bundles that I had. When I had got that sew-in, I ended up getting that made into a wig. So yeah, that was perfect. The girl who did it for me, she did it to a T, no complaints. But yeah, I just wanted to go back to a sew-in, you know, very low maintenance. Just put my get my hair done, put my hair in a bun, you know, or whatever. Really not a lot to do with it, so it's okay. I love sew-ins. Hey, I love wigs too, but hey, you know, we're girls. Girls are entitled to change their mind, right? All right, so let's see. This is a 22 body wave Brazilian. Let's take it out of the hair net. And guys, it's wrapped so wonderfully. I don't want to break it right now, but I'm gonna wash it later. But yeah, it's wrapped so wonderfully. In the past, I bought hair, and this part right here, this plays a major part in the hair, because if you just have a rubber band around it, when you're washing the hair, if you notice, I mean, in me, I don't want to say that I'm an aggressive washer, but I wash the hair. You know, I want to make sure it's clean of whatever, you know, the smell, if there's a smell, bugs. I've seen some girls on YouTube that they've had bugs in their hair that they purchased. You know, I just want to make sure that I wash it thoroughly. So a rubber band here won't do it for me. If I were to happen to order some hair from somewhere and it had a rubber band, I would just go back over. I would double it with another thicker rubber band. That way I know that is more secure when I wash it. But yeah, this is perfect. The hair itself is so super soft. Body wave, super soft, guys. And it's natural. It's a natural color. I tend to just normally do the natural colors anyway, sometimes, because the hair I have in my hair now is like I think it's like a 99J. But yeah, I normally do natural colors. No tangles. Just rub your fingers through the hair. It's so wonderful, guys. I'm so excited. smells pretty good too. So yeah, I'm going to wash the hair and air dry it. I normally wash my hair, about a week or so before my appointment. That way I could let it air dry, and everything will be ready for when I go and get my hair done. But yeah, as you can tell, guys, it's pretty, and I have a small size head, so it's pretty thick. The bundles are pretty thick. I haven't had a problem with bundles, or people saying, oh, you know, you don't have enough hair. I haven't had that problem. Guys, the lace, the closure is, I think it's called transparent. I'm still trying to learn the difference between the HD, transparent, and all that other type stuff. I recently found out what the density means in one of my other videos that I uploaded. You guys hear me say, I think it's like 180% density. And then I said, I don't know what that is because I don't. But I do now. I'm learning, guys. So yeah, this is the closure. Look at her. She's so beautiful. Beautiful girls. Look at that. Wow. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Yeah, look at that, guys. It's beautiful, you know, and it's gonna match well. I think it's like a free part, so they can part it wherever they want to part it. I tend to get as you can see, I tend to get side parts. Put the part over here so the hair can come here. I really haven't ventured too much into middle parts, but I have had a middle part before. But yeah, right now I'm just still gonna stick to what I always do, my side parts. I hope you guys enjoyed the little tutorial. I am going to wash the hair, so you please stay tuned for that. I'm gonna wash the hair and get it installed, and I think I get it installed in about 2 weeks. So I'm excited about that, and I also will do another. It might be like a part 2 of the video when I get it installed, so you guys can really see the hair on my head and all that good stuff. Yep. So stay tuned for the washing. All right, guys. Moving right along to the washing. Guys, this, other than the install, this is my favorite part. So I am washing my hair. As you can see, I put all the bundles, including the closure, inside of water, and my water is warm. All of my products that I use when I wash my bundles, wigs, what have you, I use the same thing. Which is the shampoo and conditioner by Tresemme. Guys, I got this from Target, and this big bottle literally lasts me a long time. It lasts a long time, so that's pretty good. I think it was on sale when I bought it. And the leave-in conditioner is by Miele. I just use a little bit of that, not too much, just a little bit. Sometimes I switch up the conditioners, but this time I'm using the Miele leave-in conditioner. And like I said, guys, it's very important to wash your bundles, wash your wigs, wash whatever before you put it inside your head. Reason being, because this just like, you know, if you buy strawberries from the store, you're supposed to wash them. You know, they don't go in the back of Walmart and pick strawberries and, you know, all that good stuff. So, you know, it goes through different hands, different shipping instructions, all that good stuff. So it just really, basically, it's really good just to wash, you know, everything before you eat it, put it in your hair, and possibly your clothes as well. I know a girl that was allergic to the dye in her clothes. She used to buy her clothes and not wash them before she wore them, and she would get an allergic reaction. But once she bought them and washed them, she was okay. Reason being, you know, they don't wash your clothes, so, you know, you have to do that yourself just to take extra precaution. Anywho, back to the hair. yes, I wash all 3 bundles, including my closure. I put everything inside the water, the lukewarm water. And guys, as you can see, the water is turning brown. That's definitely, you know, a sign that, yeah, you need to wash it. People have asked me, how many times do I wash my hair? And honestly, it's just different. But I do wash it until I see no more dark color, no more brown. I want the water to be at least, you know, clear before I move on to the next section of the process, which will be the conditioner. As you can see, I'm not running my hands through the water. I'm not running my hands through the hair. I'm just basically dipping the hair, you know, up, down motion. And I'll twirl it around, and then I'll squeeze the water out the hair. And then I'll move on to the next process. Once all that is done, I will empty out that water. And I would put fresh water. And I would just start the process all over again. And I would just do that until I do not see any brown or any, you know, dirty water, basically. Once I am satisfied, I will leave the conditioner. And guys, this is another thing right here. People ask me, and I just say it's kind of different, you know, different strokes for different folks. In the beginning, I used to leave my conditioner in about 1 to 2 hours. But on a typical, like this bundle wash, I would leave my conditioner in anywhere from 5 to 20 to 30 minutes. It just depends, you know, it depends on you. Now, if I've had a wig and I've done damage to that wig, where the wig is a hot mess, it's stiff, and, you know, looks like it's been in a couple tornadoes, I would definitely leave that in the water and the conditioner in the water, maybe an hour or 2 inside of a plastic bag, so it can kind of like do like a deep conditioner. But yeah, so in this with this particular bundles, I think I left it in for about 20 to 30 minutes, I want to say. But guys, the hair is super soft. It is super soft. Yes, it was dirty, but it wasn't that dirty. So I did take my time, you know, go through each one. It is time consuming, guys. I'm going to tell you the truth. It's very time consuming, but, you know, it is what it is. We got to do what we have to do. All right, so continue watching the video. You're going to just see how I wash it and rinse it and condition it, all that good stuff. So continue watching. how I lay my hair out to dry. I normally sit it on top of the dryer and let it dry. I flip it over once or twice, and this is the final look. It is all dry and just waiting for me to get it installed. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment,